Welcome to Kate Sparks Creativity. This is a quick look at some of the organization tools that I have in my art studio space. Right now, I'm in my living room. I am getting my apartment packed up to move into a bigger apartment in a few weeks, and I will do another room tour video when we get settled. I want to show you kind of what I have in this bin. I like open bins because you can see more of the stuff in it. I just recently moved my stamps and everything that goes with it, like the stays on ink and the little platforms for cling stamps. And then I have my ink pads. I also have my stencils in here. I don't really use them all that much right now, but I can see them. And some of them have pictures on them. So if you want to flip them, you can see what you have. If you have stencils or stickers, sometimes come like that too. I have another open bin. I have my paints in it. I can see what I have for the most part. I don't have a lot. I have a lot of paint brushes, and I just have like a few paint markers and some wet wipes and some other stuff back there. If I wanted to, if you wanted to, in your studio, you could add like a daub of paint or paint a label so that you could look at the top of the paint bottle to see what you had. This is one of those zipper pouch bags. I'm not sure what all is in here, mostly book pages, and there's like some daubers, and stuff like that. Usually, if I have it in a bin, I don't know what's in it, so I try to keep it organized by project if I have a project going on. Like right now, this is a book journal that I'm working on, and most of the stuff that I'm trying to put in it is in this bin, unless I'm using like the paint. Otherwise, I don't really know what's in this bin. Just like a lot of odds and ends. This bin right here is good for organizing donations or like gifts that you want to give away to friends or do happy mail or art swaps, stuff like that. If you follow art swaps on Facebook or YouTube or something like that, I am actually going to try and attend a local art swapping like supplies group on Saturday. And I like this bin because I don't have a lot of stuff right now, I don't think, to give away, but this is simple to keep organized. And then also, if I take this bin and I get other stuff from other people, it's not a big bin. I can't fill it with a whole lot more stuff that I technically don't really need, but would be cool to have. I have my glue sticks in this bin that I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a nice bin, and I used to have these in one of those little Sterilite 3-drawer bins, which worked at the time, but then I got kind of carried away and I wasn't collaging as much like I thought I was going to. So I have them out like this so that I remember to use them, I guess is the point. And I try to keep my scissors in this bin as well so that when I want to go fussy cut or something like that, I can keep track of it. If you like this video, if you want to know more about organizing, or if you want to know more about what I have, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping when I get settled in the next couple of weeks that I can do a couple of journal videos where I like take different elements that I have and make pages or just like ideas for pages. Like I could put this together with like a stamp kit with quotes and stuff like that, and then give people ideas of how to use them or how to change it with like colors, just depending on what people are interested in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.